If your outdated data systems feel like a weight holding you back, you're not alone. More than 70% of data migration projects go over budget and behind schedule. The hidden costs, security vulnerabilities, and productivity drain of legacy systems can make it feel like you're stuck in an endless cycle of fixes. But as Adam Radulovich, CEO of XL.net, puts it, true innovation starts when you stop patching the past and begin building the future. So, how do you move forward? First, understand the risks. Outdated databases create security gaps, slow down operations, and limit growth. Migrating to modern systems isn't just about cutting costs, it's about staying competitive. The right strategy ensures a smooth transition with zero downtime. A successful migration starts with clear goals, expert guidance, and a step-by-step approach. Companies need to assess their existing data structures, select the right migration strategy, whether lift and shift, replatforming, or full refactoring, and test every phase before a full rollout. Security and compliance must be a priority with proper encryption and access controls in place. The future of legacy data migration is driven by AI and automation, making transitions faster and more seamless than ever. If your current systems are slowing you down, it's time to upgrade before they hold your business back even further. Want the full breakdown, plus expert tips to avoid migration pitfalls? Read the complete article on our website. And don't forget, you can add this podcast to your Spotify playlist to revisit these insights anytime.